We reflected on the past in order to create the future. The result? The Audi Skysphere concept, a beautiful reinvention of our heritage, an amazing experience unlike any other.
Introducing the next chapter in our story of living progress. Our vision of progressive luxury in the future. Not only a car, but your experience device. Starting a new era of meaningful and fascinating experiences. This is freedom in motion. High class, fully electric, human-centric.
Jessica Walsh has an exclusive event near to your current location. Would you like to schedule a visit? All right. Your visit is confirmed for this evening.
Delivering more than just an interior. It's a personal experience sphere that inspires and offers the freedom to choose between a first-class lounge on wheels and fully automated drive and an exciting sports driving experience. For all the senses, through impactful design, intelligent performance, and latest technology. Powered by a holistic digital ecosystem. The new essence of high-class mobility. Emotional, intuitive, personal.
Your experience is ready to share.
Shaping the future. The Audi Skysphere concept.